sa may problema. Pero at the same time, pinag-uusapan na mabuti and they try to come up with certain maximums and minimums na pwedeng tanggapin ng bawat bansa sa EU. Walang problema dyan. Sa atin, we have the same things. For example, we have the issue with China and the
territorial
territories
dispute
of the Philippines. Territories na may habol ng Philippines, Malaysia, at yung Vietnam. Yung particularly Spratlys. At nung huling ministers meeting ay mukhang ayaw magkaroon ng stand ng ASEAN. May nagbablock. Sadali lang. Oo, we cannot go against China. Maraming reason. Pero this is not going to be effective for ASEAN. This is not going to be good for ASEAN, di ba? So if you're just saying we're just an economic bloc na puro minimum lang ang kaya natin gawin, anong silbi nito para sa mga ganitong klaseng issues? No, the Chinese aggressively flexing its muscles all over Southeast Asia. I don't know, all over Asia. In fact, not just in Southeast Asia, even in South Asia, nararamdaman ng China. So how do we go about it as ASEAN? Do we deal with it individually as we have always done before? Or do we go in as a bloc? So yun, no? Even yung sinasabi ko yung may mga konting pagbabago when the ASEAN member states ay naging vocal na against Myanmar. Pero in dealing with Myanmar, like politically dealing with Myanmar, wala pa rin. You know, they get that back in the back.
Okay lang.
Alam mo yung election nyo, problematic yan eh. Ha? Ayusin yan, ha? Pakisabihan din siya. Ayusin yan. So, anong klaseng solution ang pinapresent mo? No, wala kang singular action na ginagawa ng ASEAN. No, even in say in disciplining its members, wala naman siyang provisions for say how to effectively discipline your members. No, kasi medyo pag tinitingnan mo yung ideal set by the ASEAN, maganda yung paper, pero do we actually
try to implement
implement this? Do we actually believe this as a group? No, that remains to be seen.
Sir, yung tungkol din sa ANC integration, tingin niyo ba nakakatulong talaga yung sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas na lumalaki pa na?
When you talk about the economy, and then you have to also talk about the implications of a growing economy like the Philippines. Of course, in one point, it can help. But again, going back to the drawing board, it's the international trade versus the national situation. Titingnan rin natin yan, ano? Makatulong ba talaga siya sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas? This is more of a critique than an answer. As far as we can see, hindi na, as I've said kanina, hindi ganoon ka-influential din naman ang ASEAN sa internal trading natin. That the ASEAN has set some rules and boundaries on how we trade and how we act and how we go about our business. Hindi ganoon kalaki yung influential niya. In seeking, say, opening of doors, say, ng Indonesia, sabihin natin, between Indonesia and the Philippines, meron ba talagang hand dyan, na malaking influence dyan, o nagkataon lang kasi parang tayo kasi. As far as, sabihin na, lay person, as far as I'm concerned, the only good effect, as a lay person to, I'm not saying, yung walang deep na pagkinig. Pero isa sa mga pinakamaganda effect lang ng ASEAN ay being able to go to Indonesia, Vietnam, Malaysia, and other states without a visa.
Yes.
I wanna go to Bali. I can go there anytime. I'll just buy myself a ticket. And that's that. Diba? Iyon yung gano'n. That's coming from... Sorry pass.
Sige pa.